everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jackie and thank you for watching. So today's video is going to be a tutorial continuing on with my Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Vault collection tutorials with each of the palettes. So this is the third out of the four using the Armed and Gorgeous palette, and it looks like this. This one might be my favorite. I don't know. I go back and forth with like which palette is my favorite. I can never decide. I really like them all. Like I genuinely really love these palettes in this collection. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see the look I create using the Armed and Gorgeous palette, then just keep on watching. Okay, so my eyes are already primed with my NARS primer. Sorry if the mirror's in the shot a little bit. I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe brush collection too. I just ordered the Eye Essential Kit and I just did a video comparing them to existing Morphe brushes, so I'll leave that link down below. Okay, so first using the Jaclyn or the JH30 brush, I'm going to go in with the shade Access right here and just put this all over the crease. This is my first initial transition shade. Colors like this look way better on me in the summertime when I get a little bit of a tan going. This wouldn't be my first choice for a transition color right now while I'm pale, but it's okay. I'm going to go in with the shade Agent with the same brush and just build up that crease a little more. And I think I'm going to take, I'm actually going to switch over to this Luxie 227 travel brush and pick up the shade Top Secret and put this pretty low on the crease and also kind of dragging it down on the outer corner. I just want like a little pop of green to show through, not too much. This isn't like my favorite color of green in the world, but I will say this green compared to the greens in the Dark Magic palettes, this one's blending out like a lot better, but it's not as pigmented. I have to kind of keep putting my brush in a bunch of times to build it up to what I want it to be. But that doesn't really bother me. I don't care. Especially if it's not like an everyday color for me, I don't mind having to work with it a little bit more if I'm only really using it every once in a while. I'm just going to take some of this Dermablend translucent powder and pack this on the corners of my eye. Then I'm going to go in with the JH40 brush and pick up the shade Prowl and pack this on the outer corner. And then I just keep going back in with my initial blending brushes to blend this all out. Okay, I don't know if I want to use a coin or guilt trip all over the lid. I think maybe a mixture of both. So I'm going to go in with coin first using the JH41 brush. Oh, wow. Holy. And that's a dry brush. I didn't wet this. That's insane. I'm curious. I think I'm just going to wet this brush with some Fix Plus because I just want to see how intense this shade can get. Wow. That's crazy. That's impressive. Okay, just going over everything with this big brush one more time. I really like this brush, this JH30. This is about to become like an essential for me. It's like kind of dense, but still fluffy, so it blends out everything really well. And it's like huge too. Okay, let's do the lower lash line. So I'm going to go in with the JH43 and pick up Prowl again and just pack this on the lower lash line. Now that that powder's gone, I'm going to go back with the JH40 and just deepen this outer corner a little bit more. Taking the JH39, I'm going to pick up Agent and blend out the lower lash line with that. I'm just going to add a little bit more of Prowl over here. Now taking the JH42, I'm going to pick up the shade VIP, which is my favorite highlighting shade of all time, and put this on the brow bone and inner corner. Okay, this brush is officially my new go-to inner corner highlight, brow bone highlight brush. It's amazing. So this is the finished look. I'm just going to put some liner and lashes on, and I'll be right back. So that completes this look using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Armed and Gorgeous palette. So again, I really love this palette. Let me take this off because I'm going to swatch the colors I did not use. So I did not use Guilt Trip. So that's this shade here. And I have been saying this whole time that I have noticed some inconsistencies in the palette. That's, you can't really see my like white skin, and the lights kind of like wash this out, but this is Guilt Trip. It did swatch nice. It's just a really light gold. It's a good highlight shade. But anyways, I was saying that I have mentioned that some of these palettes, some of the shades, both mattes and shimmers, do seem a little inconsistent. Not necessarily that they're dud shadows or that they don't work, but they don't perform as well as the rest of the palette. So that has been my experience, but that they're not bad enough to make me hate the collection or hate the palette. But all the colors that I did use for this look gave me no problems at all. What else did I not use? Oh yeah, I didn't use Smooth Criminal. That's this one. It's a matte. So that one's pretty good too. And then I did not use Secure. That's the other orange shade in the palette. That's also a matte. Ooh, this one feels like really creamy. So that one is really nice too. That works. And then the last one that I did not use is a shimmer, and it's Classify, this one right here. And that's that. So I would say, yeah, that's probably why this is my favorite palette, because it doesn't give me any issues. But I really love this palette. I actually really like the look I came up with. And that's about it for this video. So I got one more of these left. I'll be doing the Ring the Alarm palette next, and that one looks like this. This is a close second for favorites in the collection. So anyways, thank you so much for watching, and again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.